Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss discontinuous conjunctions in Norwegian. Discontinuous conjunctions or split conjunctions are crucial in conveying relationships between elements within Norwegian sentences. These conjunctions are expressions separated into two parts, each positioned at different places in a sentence to interrelate the elements that connect. So let's delve into the realm of discontinuous conjunctions and understand how to use them in the Norwegian language accurately. Dissecting discontinuous conjunctions. Discontinuous conjunctions are pairs of correlating words that bracket the phrases or words they emphasize. Here we focus on Norwegian's most commonly used discontinuous conjunction pairs, each illustrating a specific kind of relationship. Common discontinuous conjunction pairs and their uses. Både og, både og, både og, both and. Example 1. Han kan både spille piano og gitar. Han kan både spille piano og gitar. Han kan både spille piano og gitar. He can play both the piano and the guitar. Example 2. Vi skal både på kino og på middag i kveld. Vi skal både på kino og på middag i kveld. Vi skal både på kino og på middag i kveld. We're going both to the movies and to dinner tonight. Enten eller, enten eller, enten eller, either or. Example 1. Du må enten studere mer eller få ekstra hjelp. Du må enten studere mer eller få ekstra hjelp. Du må enten studere mer eller få ekstra hjelp. You need to either study more or get extra help. Example 2. Enten vinner vi, eller så lærer vi noe. Enten vinner vi, eller så lærer vi noe. Enten vinner vi, eller så lærer vi noe. Either we will win or we'll learn something. Verken eller, verken eller, verken eller, neither nor. Example 1. Verken han eller hun kom til møte. Verken han eller hun kom til møte. Verken han eller hun kom til møte. Neither he nor she came to the meeting. Example 2. Jeg liker verken te eller kaffe. Jeg liker verken te eller kaffe. Jeg liker verken te eller kaffe. I like neither tea nor coffee. The importance of correct placement. Accurate placement of these conjunctions within sentences is crucial to relay the intended message effectively. While the first part of the conjunction introduces an element, the second part is paired with another element, thereby drawing a relationship between the two. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. A common mistake is mismatching the pairs or misplacing them in sentences, which can alter the meaning of the statement. Learning the correct pairs and understanding their individual usage can help avoid such errors. Let's illustrate this with an example. Incorrect. De både liker å lese bøker eller se filmer. They both like reading books or watching movies. Correct. De liker både å lese bøker og se filmer. De liker både å lese bøker og se filmer. De liker både å lese bøker og se filmer. They like both reading books and watching movies. Mastering the use of discontinuous conjunctions in Norwegian not only facilitates a nuanced expression of relationships between elements, but also assists in avoiding common errors that could potentially alter the meaning of a sentence. As you progress in your learning journey, make an effort to incorporate these conjunctions into your daily usage, and you'll find yourself crafting sentences with greater clarity and precision, moving a step closer to mastering the beautiful Norwegian language. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to NLS Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning. Thank you for tuning out to learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.